Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSE section. Today I am here to speak about sample space events of a random experiment, various types of events. Probability. An experiment is some procedure or process that we do and it results in an outcome. A random experiment is an experiment. We do not know its exact outcome in advance, but we know the set of all possible outcomes. The sample space definition. The set of all possible outcomes of a statistical experiment is called sample space and is denoted by S. Each outcome of a sample space S is called the sample point. Events definition. An event A is a subset of a sample space S. We say that an event A occurs if the outcome of the experiment is an element of A. Phi, phi subset or equal to S is an event. S is subset or equal to S is an event. Phi is called the impossible event. S is called the sure event. Example experiment selecting a ball from a box containing 6 balls numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or tossing a die. The experiment has 6 possible outcomes. The sample space is S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Consider the following events. Even is equal to getting an even number 2, 4, 6. E2 is equal to getting a number less than 4 1, 2, 3. E3 is equal to getting 1 or 3 1, comma 3. E4 is equal to getting an odd number 1, comma 3, comma 5. E5 is equal to getting a negative number 5. If E6 is equal to getting a number less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notation. N of S is equal to number of outcomes in S. N of E is equal to number of outcomes in the event E. Example experiment selecting 3 items from manufacturing processes. Each item is inspected and classified as defective D and non-defective N. This experiment has 8 possible outcomes. S is equal to DDT, DDN, DND, DNN, NDD, NDN, NND, NNN. Consider the following events. A is equal to at least 2 defective. DDD, DDN, DND, NDD. B is equal to at most 1 defective. DNN, NDN, NND, NNN. C is equal to 3 defective. DDD. Some operations on events. Let A and B be two events defined on the sample space S. Definition. Complement of a event A. A complement or A slash. A complement is equal to X belongs to S such that X does not belongs to A. A complement consists of all points of S that are not in A. A complement occurs in A does not. Definition. Intersection. A intersection B is equal to AB is equal to X belongs to S such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. A intersection B consists of all points in both A and B. A intersection B occurs if both A and B occurs together. Definition. Mutually exclusive disjoint events. Two events A and B are mutually exclusive or disjoint if and only if A intersection B is equal to 5. That is, A and B has no common elements. They do not occur together. Definition. Union. A union B is equal to X belongs to S such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. A union B consists of all outcomes in A or in B or in both A and B. A union B occurs if A occurs or B occurs or both A and B occurs. That is, A union B occurs if at least one of A and B occurs. Counting sample points. There are many counting techniques which can be used to count the number points in the sample space or in some events without listing each element. In many cases, we can compute the probability of an event by using the counting techniques. Combinations. In many problems, we are interested in the number of ways of selecting our objects from n objects without regard to order. These selections are called combinations. Notation n factorial and is defined by n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into so on 2 into 1. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Example 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 120. Theorem the number of combinations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is denoted by and is given by NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Example, if we have 10 equal priority operations and only 4 operating rooms are available, in how many ways can we choose the 4 patient to operate on first? Solution n is equal to 10, r is equal to 4. The number of different ways of selecting 4 participants from 10 patients is 10C4, that is equal to 210. Probability of an event. To every point in a sample space of an experiment S, we assign a weight ranging from 0 to 1 such that the sum of all weights equals to 1. The weight of the outcomes measures likelihood of occurrence. To find the probability of an event A, we sum all probabilities of the sample points in A. This sum is called probability of event A and is denoted by P of A. Definition: the probability of an event A is the sum of weights of all the sample points in A. Therefore, P of A lies between 0 to 1 and P of S is equal to 1 and P of phi is equal to 0. Example, a balanced coin is tossed twice. What is the probability that at least one head occurs? Solution, S is equal to head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. A is equal to at least one head occurs. Head head, head tail, tail head. Since the coin is balanced, the outcomes are equally likely. That is, all outcomes have the same weight or probability. Outcome is equal to head head, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Weights weights are P of head head is equal to W, P of head tail is equal to W, P of tail head is equal to W, P of tail tail is equal to W. 4W is equal to 1. W is equal to 1 by 4. The probability that at least one head occurs is P of A is equal to P of at least one head occurs. That is equal to P of head head plus P of head tail plus P of tail head. That is equal to 0.75. Theorem. If an experiment has n of s is equal to n equally likely different outcomes, then the probability of event A is P of A is equal to n of A. N of s n of A by n of s, that is equal to n of A by n, number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Example, a mixture of candies consisting of 6 mints, 4 toffees and 3 chocolates. If a person makes a random selection of one of these candies, find the probability of getting a mint, a toffee or chocolate. Solution. Define the following events. M is equal to getting a mint, T is equal to getting a toffee, C is equal to getting a chocolate. Experiment. Selecting a candy at a random from 13 candies. N of S is equal to number of outcomes of experiment of selecting a candy. That is equal to number of different ways of selecting a candy from 13 candies. 13C1. The outcomes of the experiment are equally likely because the selection is made at random. M is equal to getting a mint. N of M is equal to number of different ways of selecting a mint candy from 6 mint candies. 6C1 is equal to 6. P of M is equal to P of getting a mint. N of M by N of S is equal to 6 by 13. T union C is equal to getting a toffee or chocolate. N of T union C is equal to number of different ways of selecting a toffee or a chocolate candy. Number of different ways of selecting a toffee candy plus number of different ways of selecting a chocolate candy. NC4, 4C1 plus 3C1, that is equal to 7. Number of different ways of selecting a candy from 7 candies is equal to 7C1. Probability of getting a toffee or chocolate is equal to number of number of union of toffee and chocolate by number of outcomes, that is equal to 7 by 13. In a poker hand consisting of 5 cards, find the probability of holding 2 aces and 3 jacks. experiment selecting 5 cards from 52 cards. N of s is equal to number of outcomes of experiments of selecting 5 cards from 52 cards. 52 C5 is equal to 52 factorial by 5 factorial into 47 factorial. The outcomes of the experiments are equally likely because the selection is made at random. Define the event A is equal to holding 2 aces and 3 jacks. N of A is equal to number of ways of selecting 2 aces and 3 jacks. That is equal to number of ways of selecting 2 aces into number of ways of selecting 3 jacks. That is equal to number of ways of selecting 2 aces from 4 aces into number of ways of selecting 3 jacks from 4 jacks. 4C2 into 4C3. 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 1 factorial. That is equal to 24. P of A is equal to probability of holding 2 S's from 3 jars. That is equal to N of A by N of S. That is equal to 0.000009. Thank you.